We saw with fractions that we can simplify compound fractions. Similarly, we can also have compound rational expressions, which we can also simplify. For example, let's simplify the compound rational expression 1 plus 1 over x over 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. Remember, we call this a compound rational expression because within the rational expression, we have more rational expressions. Now, we can reduce fractions by multiplying by their denominator. We will use this to reduce our smaller fractions 1 over x and 1 over x squared. We can multiply the top and bottom of our larger fraction by some p to try to reduce these, because we'll just be multiplying by p over p, which is 1. Now, we want to multiply 1 over x by x to clear that denominator. And we want to multiply 1 over x squared by x squared to clear that denominator. So if we make p x squared, we can reduce both of them. That is, we can multiply 1 plus 1 over x over 1 over x plus 1 over x squared by x squared over x squared. Now distributing the x squared to each term, we have 1 times x squared plus 1 over x times x squared over 1 over x times x squared plus 1 over x squared times x squared. Now that we've done this, we can reduce each term. 1 times x squared is just x squared. 1 over x times x squared is just x. So in the numerator, we're left with x squared plus x. While in the denominator, we have 1 over x times x squared, which is just x, plus 1 over x squared times x squared, which is 1. So we can write 1 plus 1 over x over 1 over x plus 1 over x squared as x squared plus x over x squared plus 1. Now we no longer have a compound fraction.